wanted to get ready with you and create some pretty smoky eye with pink eyeliner, a really glowy skin makeup look. Also today I'm testing out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. We are gonna do wear test and I'm gonna share my first impressions with you. Find me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, basically this is my name. Also like the video if you want to see more first impressions videos. I will see you in a couple of hours when I do check-in. Okay, let's roll. I have a new haircut. I chopped my hair off and I do have a vlog which probably is already live on my channel. You can check it out. Chopped my hair off and I really like it. I am all about short hairstyles. It's 3:30 in the afternoon and I'm getting ready to go to two events this evening. There is like fashion event in Zurich, which I am invited to. Also there is an Instagram meetup, so I will probably attend this event too. So two events. So I wanted to create a really pretty smoky eye makeup look. Maybe I can add some eyeliner, wing eyeliner. I haven't done this for so long. Also I got a sample of the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and I want to try it on camera and do like wear test till the end of the night, because my Too Faced Born This Way foundation is broken. Like I broke the glass, the actual glass of the foundation the other day, and I wanted to try some high-end foundation, so I picked up a sample from Estee Lauder, the Double Wear Foundation. It's in the shade 1W2. So the lady in the store, she took some test for my skin and she said that this shade will be the perfect match for my skin tone. So let's see if it's true. Short hair, don't care, right? Let's begin. Rose water. I need some primer. Last time I used the Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator and I really like it. I'm gonna use it the best out of it. Okay, I have like an hour to get ready and I'm already stressed out. Okay, I'll start. I think it's a bit dark for my skin. I usually apply foundation with a sponge, but I know that with a brush I will get more coverage. That is my skin. One side with foundation. I love the finish, it's not matte, which I don't like about foundations, which I think it's way too much, but the sponge is absorbing most of the product. I think I put way too much on this side. Ooh. But I think that we have perfect match. Actually, I think I really like it. The L'Oreal, the 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation, I really noticed like dry patches all over my forehead, and with this one I don't see them. So this is a sign, already a sign for me that I will like it. Overall, first impressions, I like the foundation. Fill out my brows and then I will start with the eye makeup. Brows. But guys, I really like this foundation. I like the finish. It's a bit sticky and you can see how natural my skin looks like. You still can see through my skin. I am excited and maybe I like it even more than the Born This Way foundation, face foundation, and I really like this foundation. But maybe we have a winner here. Eye makeup. want to use the Urban Decay Naked palette because I want to go for really pretty smoky brownish eye makeup look. I'll start off with the shade Naked. Do you still own this palette from Naked, Urban Decay Naked? I saw that they came a new version of this eyeshadow palette. New version looks really pretty and so many are loving it. I'm really curious, have you tried it already? Do you want to purchase it? Like, I do want to try it because I do like the shades. There is one shade which is super pretty. It's really curly, peachy, and so many they're raving about the formula of the eyeshadows, like it is updated formula, super blendable. I think I want to try it, but also they have this beautiful, colorful eyeshadow palette which is called Born to Fly or something like that. And it's so funny, like in this palette you have only two, basically you have two matte shades, which is so not enough for an eyeshadow look. I want to use two shades, Half Baked and Smoke. Both of these shades, they're really pretty. Of course, we are gonna blend the eyeshadow. There we go. Guys, I'm back and I'm really happy with my lashes. I'm so proud of myself. I did the winged eyeliner, which I haven't done for so long. Also the false lashes, they applied so easily. These are the Ardell Wispies.
Alright, listen.
Powder, Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm using the shade, and it's in the shade Dulce de Leche. I want to use the powder side to set the concealer. Okay, Marc Jacobs Highliner in the shade Fine Wine, my favorite. Marc Jacobs, fantastic. Shadow. And also my new favorite, which is a drugstore blush, and I did first impressions review. I will link it, you can check it out. This is the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. Who is a blush type of girl? I am. Your Backstage Glow Palette. For events, special occasions, I like to go a little bit overboard with my highlighter. Zuma by Persona. here is my skin. I'm filming right now on my vlog camera. This is my skin after I applied all my makeup, and you haven't forgot, right? We are reviewing the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and it's about 5 o'clock. I need to get dressed and go to the event, but I'll check in the next couple of hours, and also before I remove my makeup, and I'll share my thoughts with you. So see you later. Okay guys, I am back. I am back home after maybe 5-6 hours, and I had the foundation, the Estee Lauder foundation, for, like I said, 5-6 hours. And let's check in. I just came back. I ate. Ooh, and the lashes, they're on, still on, because I was outside and it was super windy, and I thought that they will fly away, literally. I used this loose powder to bake, so here it's super powdery looking. I did that like 3 minutes ago, so ignore. I'm not seeing that it is sinking here into my nose, nice, which is not cute. Like here. So yes, I think that's because I applied a lot of product on this side of the face with the sponge, but I don't have flakiness here on my forehead, which is a good sign. The shade is matching, like this is my right shade, which is a good thing. Like all my foundation reviews, I will update you guys later on after using it with another products, using it with another like powders, primers, so I can really tell you it's super foundation or it's super bad foundation. Always I will let you in the comment section down below and update you how I like this foundation. I'm gonna remove all that makeup and go to bed because tomorrow I'm heading to Geneva. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. And I forget to mention, I have a new posting schedule. I'm posting every Monday and every Thursday, so subscribe.